But finally, like on most days, there was stiff competition in our Rachel Maddow Show news meeting today for best foreign news story about statues. On the one hand, Ukrainian communists rather inexplicably unveiled an 8-foot-tall statue of Joseph Stalin today. About 200 protesters showed up at the unveiling. Things were pretty peaceful until one communist reportedly threw eggs at the protesters. What is it with Ukrainians and the egg throwing? Remember them throwing eggs at each other in their legislature really recently, too? Anyway, the other foreign statue story is less of a huh and more of a what? The other headline in contention for best foreign news story about statues today is that someone has stolen 11 big bronze statues in Tehran, in the capital of Iran, over the past few weeks. This is according to Iranian state-run media. The first statue to go missing was of a contemporary poet. It was stolen in late March. Since then, several statues of prominent historical figures have just disappeared. Even some abstract statuary art has been stolen in Tehran. The 11th statue reportedly stolen yesterday. It was this bronze, which is called Yellow Wagtail Breeds 7 Broods. It weighs half a ton. Who's taking these things and why? And how? It weighs half a ton. One local official told the Iranian news agency that the thieves are motivated by religion, that for religious reasons they don't like depictions of the human form in art. That doesn't explain that last one. One other possible motive was floated by an artist who told the LA Times today that bronze sculptures are selling very well in Persian Gulf art markets. The crack pure speculation team here at the Rachel Maddow Show is betting that these bronzes are being stolen for scrap metal. Iranian police are reportedly launching an actual investigation, and some surviving neoconservative somewhere in this country no doubt has already figured out how this too demands that we bomb Iran right now. Do it for the statues. That argument due on the Washington Post op-ed page by Sunday at the latest.